Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add music to Canva videos step by step. Whether you're creating a YouTube video, Instagram reel, TikTok, presentation, or promotional content, Canva makes it easy to add background music and customize it to fit your project. Let's get started. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. From the home page, open an existing video project or click Create a Design and choose a video format. Once your project is open, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Audio. Here you'll find Canva's built-in library of music tracks. You can browse by category or use the search bar to find music that matches your video. When you find a song you like, simply click on it. The music will automatically be added to your video timeline. If you want to use your own music, click Uploads in the left sidebar. Then select Upload Files and choose the audio file from your computer or mobile device. After the upload is complete, drag the audio onto your video timeline. Next, adjust the music to fit your video. Drag either end of the audio track to trim it, or move the entire track to change where the music starts. To control the sound level, select the audio track and click Volume in the top toolbar. Lower the volume if you want the music to play softly behind your voice, or increase it if the music is the main focus of the video. You can also apply fade-in and fade-out effects for smoother audio transitions. Select the audio track, choose the fade option if available, and adjust the duration to create a more professional sound. Now, preview your project by clicking the play button. Watch the video and listen carefully to make sure the music matches the timing of your scenes. If needed, reposition or trim the audio until everything is perfectly synchronized. Once you're satisfied with the result, click Share in the top right corner, then select Download. Choose MP4 video as the file type, confirm your settings, and click Download. Canva will export your video with the music included, and that's it. You've successfully added music to your Canva video. If this tutorial helped you, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.